Hey guys, my name is Peter and I use Google search almost every day. And you probably do too. After all, you are using the internet right now, right? Today we're going to look at some ways to improve your search results and find exactly what you are looking for. Let's get started. This video will have two somewhat separate parts. First, I will explain operators, which are words and symbols you can use to filter your search results. Then, I will give some generally helpful tips for just searching better and wasting less time. Let's start with operators. You may already know this first operator, but I'll explain it anyway. If you want to use Google to search only a specific website, type site, and then the URL of whichever website you want to search. Your search will then only include results from that website. I find this super useful for Reddit because, for some reason, Google is better at searching Reddit than Reddit is. Go figure. Of course, sometimes you want to avoid results from one website. Looking at you, Pinterest. To exclude a certain website, use the site, URL again, but this time put a negative sign directly in front of site. I find this super useful for excluding websites because, well, I don't really want a bunch of Pinterest photos instead of actually useful information. Next, we have the file type operator. I personally like finding PDFs as you can download, print, and modify them, so if I want to search for only PDFs with my search terms, I type file type, PDF, and then my search terms. This works with other file types as well, including docx files, txt files, ppt files. Most file types should return somewhat helpful results. Quotes are also super useful. Put quotes around your search term and Google will only show results with that term exactly, instead of showing related results as well. I find this great for researching specific things instead of a whole general area. Perhaps you want to find sites related to a certain site though. Simply use the related operator and then the site address. For example, related:apple.ca. When searching for news articles, the in-title and all-in-title operators are very useful. In-title will search for any of the specified words in titles, while all-in-title will only show pages with all of your specified words in the title. In-URL and all-in-URL function in the same way, but for the URL of the page instead of the title. The define operator defines the word after it. Pretty self-explanatory. It is more reliable than simply searching for a word and hoping the definition will pop up though, so feel free to use it. The final operators are or and, both in all caps. Or will return results for one or both of the terms, while and will only return results for both. Now, there are many more less useful operators, so I've included a link in the description with almost all of them, even old ones that no longer work. If you're interested, feel free to check them out. Of course, just using operators won't get you the best results. Instead, you also just need to use common sense and proper searching format. The most common thing I notice is overcomplication of searches. For example, instead of searching how to fix Windows blue screen after crash, just search Windows blue screen. Not only will you save time, you'll generally get better and more general helpful search results as well. If you get an error on any of your tech devices, there's often an error code along with it. The best thing to do is copy the code, paste it into Google, and search it. Don't add anything else. Error codes are generally super useful just on their own. If you made it this far, thank you. This final trick is really just for fun. Search Atari Breakout, press images, and actually, I'll leave this one for you to find out for yourself. If you found any of these tips helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing for more awesome content. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.